case you're wondering how come I have on the same outfit, well, I told you guys I'm gonna try to be as proactive as possible, so I'm recording a couple of videos the same day. This time I'm going to be making coconut banana bread. Very easy, you can't go wrong with this recipe. It's moist, it's soft, and it has that flakiness with the coconut in it. You're gonna love it. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah, hello my people. I'm bringing to you guys coconut banana bread this time, and I start with 4 ripe bananas. Make sure they're really ripe, you get a best result, and lightly blend. Mix together your dry ingredients. That's all-purpose flour 2 cups, baking soda 1 teaspoon, nutmeg 1/4 teaspoon, then salt 1 teaspoon, also granulated sugar 1/2 cup. Whisk that together and then add the coconut flakes. Go with unsweetened organic coconut flakes, not the sweetened one. Now we add the wet ingredients. That's the mashed banana going in. Sour cream 1/2 cup, or just get the small jar of sour cream from the store so that you don't have to measure. So just add the rest of the wet ingredients. That's condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, 1/3 of a cup. You can go with 1/2 cup if you don't have 1/3 of a cup, no worries. It's just gonna make your bread a little bit sweeter. And then 1/2 cup vegetable oil. Also whisk 1 large egg with 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Put that together. Mix everything together and then pour it in a baking pan. I bought this aluminum baking pan from Sam's Club. Bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 to 70 minutes. I also went with double the batch and I ended up getting that much. Please subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.